Let's see how you can change your name on Instagram without using your password. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Now tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner, and here you have to go to Account Center, and now from Profiles. So here you can find all the connected accounts such as Instagram and Facebook. Just go for Instagram account. Now select the name and type in your new name here. So you will see a message saying that you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So make sure the name you entered is actually correct, and once you are happy with it, just go for save. Now from the same section, you can also edit your username. If you want to change it, update it here and save. Now go back from here, and if you notice that your Facebook name hasn't changed, and that's normal. Even though the accounts are connected, changing your Instagram name doesn't affect your Facebook name. Now go back to your profile and you will see that your profile name and username has been changed successfully. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.